take a look at this Nova at Unique, especially in classics, and it's a beauty in Cortez silver, black vinyl top, 1970 Chevrolet Nova two-door sedan. Wheels, billet specially, 5-spoke cast alloy, 18-inch, riding on 18-inch Nitto Redline radials, or 4,000 is just the wheels and tires alone. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front chrome bumper, see the condition of that, headlight surrounds, grille. Great looking front end on these cars, and the paint shows extremely well. Underneath the hood, probably one of the best parts. Wait till you hear this car run. 377 cubic inch displacement stroker motor. That's paired up with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. And as you can also see up front, we do have the drilled and slotted rotors. Check out the still pictures to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See how straight the panels are up and down the passenger side, condition of the paint. I don't know, there might be a small imperfection on here somewhere, but I have not found it yet. There's also a placard that will go with this. You can see it in the still picture, so I'll tell you about the car, give you some more information on it. I'll try to hit everything as we walk around. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Ford 9-inch rear end, by the way, 331 gears, posi traction. We open up the driver's door, you're going to see an all-new interior. If you look at the underside picture, you're going to see coil-over front shocks and all new suspension components. It also has a new quick ratio steering box and a Kenwood remote audio system. Take a look up and down the driver's side from front to rear. Again, I just do not see anything. Nicks, dings, scratches in this car. Vinyl roof, great shape. Let's check out that all new interior. Door panels, good shape. Vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear it all. Headliner, also good to go. Carpeting, like new. Nova floor mats. And now, for the best part. Oh, listen to that. 377 pop right over. FYI, here's those auto meter gauges. See oil pressure. That was a cold start, FYI. Water temp shouldn't be up. Got tach bouncing a little bit. Voltmeter. Top of the dash, all good shape. I have had the wipers working and the blower fan working also. Make sure we're neutral. How that door closes. And yes, this one sounds as good as it looks. I think we know what that engine bay is going to look like, but we better check it out anyway. All right, give me 1 second, get this hood popped open, check out that engine bay, wrap this video up. And here it is, first of all, underside of the hood. Yep, what you'd expect. There it is, 377 stroker, paired up with that Muncie 4-speed. So you can see headers, power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition. Looks like we have a Performer RPM intake. Of course, 4-barrel carb. Wow. There you go. This one will turn some heads, looks, and sound. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but these roads are dry, so we're able to do driving videos for you. This is a strong running Nova. Our blower motor works. Our wipers work. This car has what looks like a radio delete. The handle's really good. You can tell they took some time restoring it. Acceleration is good. It brakes well. We've got an oil pressure gauge at 50 psi. Water temperature about 170. Volts are at 14. Got a little tachometer mounted under the dash. And our fuel gauge is just under a quarter.